That's right, guys, it's the impact drivers. Stick around. Alright guys, today we're testing the impact drivers. We got the P236A and the Brushless P238. What we're going to be doing today is just showing what these impact drivers are capable of. We're going to be running 1-inch, 2-inch, and 3-inch screws. We're going to be doing with and without tapping, and we're just going to see what happens. Start going, ready, and that was with little to no pressure at all, just holding the trigger and letting the drill fall on it. Put a little bit more pressure behind this, get a little bit faster in. Yeah. Alright, and then this is the pre-tapped. Put it right in, and alright, onto the 1-inch. Get this going in, first one. Again, we'll do just on the trigger, not a lot of pressure. Whoa. Cool. On number 2. Put some force behind this one. Let's clean through. And then again with the pre-tapped. 3-inch screws. And just through a little bit of pressure, just enough to keep the bit on the screw. A little bit harder this time. All the way in, and with the pre-tapped. Alright guys, for the Brushless P238, we've got 3 speeds on the back here. We're going to do 1 round for each of those speeds and see how it does. Starting on first gear, grab 3 screws, and here we go. Just barely pulling on the trigger, letting it sink into itself. Doesn't even go to hammer mode. Should be kind of silly, but put pressure on it now. Ooh, it's still resisting a little bit. And into the pre-sump, and just spins. Popped it up to 2nd gear. Here we go. Just barely on the trigger. All the way in, and I think that's spinning. Yep. Put pressure behind it. Yeah. That's actually pretty nice. Okay, bump it up to 3rd gear now. Up it all the way to the top. Okay. All the way in. And finally, pre-tapped. Go on to the 1-inch. All right. There we go, back down to 1st gear. Here we go. Go full pressure, full trigger. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Pop it up to 2nd gear. Here we go. Full pressure. Restarted. Okay. All the way in. And finally pre-tapped. 3rd gear now. Pull all the way to the top. Okay. Here we go. Oh gosh. Come on. There we go. It does not like that. Go. and sink it deep. Final one, back down to first gear. All right, we'll do full pressure, try and get this to go in. Smell the motor just a little bit. Up to second gear. A little more power. Try this again. Okay, here we go. Up to third gear. Third gear. Let's get her started. All right, full pressure. Here we go. Come on. Back you out and try again. Things spin so fast. Destroyed that screw head already. I'm just going to jump to a new screw. We're half pre-tapped, but let's still try it. Yeah. That's as far as that one goes. All right, and that may have been the end of this drill bit. This drill bit is trashed, all torn up. I'm gonna do a quick switch out, put the other one in. Hopefully this one will last for the whole time. Pull that back out. Cool. Second gear now, pop it up to the middle. Here we go. Oh. Alright, jumping back in now. We gave it a rest for a little bit, let the battery cool down. That was the smart battery kicking in, dropping the drill out. Still at 2 speed. We're going to see if we can finish up and get this screw in. Okay, final one. Bumping it up to 3 speed. Put this in. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Alright, a little more weight. There we go. Pop it up to second gear now.
It looked like a silly putty.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay.